In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to budget effectively using EveryDollar.com, a powerful online budgeting tool. If you've been searching for a way to organize your finances with ease, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, head over to EveryDollar's website, and you'll want to ensure you're logged into your account. Once you're there, it's time to start with the income section. This is where you'll input all the money you earn. This could be anything from your regular salary, side hustles, or freelance work. Include every source of income, no matter how small, to get the most accurate picture of your finances. Next, we move on to expenses, starting with giving. If you allocate part of your budget to church donations or charities, this is where you will document those amounts. You can also add additional giving categories in the Add Item section to keep things organized. Following that, it's savings time. Consider setting aside money for an emergency fund or other saving goals. This could include a vacation fund or a down payment on a house, whatever financial goals you have in mind. Now it's essential to cover your 4 basic expenses. Let's begin with housing. Here you list costs related to mortgage or rent and utilities like water, gas, electric, and even cable or internet bills. Keeping track of these ensures you're not surprised by essential expenses each month. Then there's transportation to consider. This budget category can include fuel costs, car maintenance, or if you use public transit, your monthly bus fare. Make sure these items are captured so you never find yourself short on cash to get from one place to another. Moving on, we have the food category, a variable one. Whether you cook at home or dine out, keep a close watch on groceries and restaurant expenditures. You can always adjust this category as your spending habits evolve. Next, list down other miscellaneous expenses, starting with personal items like clothing and subscription services. This can also include money spent on health and beauty products or even personal tech devices. Then, tackle lifestyle expenses. Think of your pets, childcare, and entertainment needs. Categorizing these helps ensure you don't miss out on leisure and relaxation in your budgeting. Next, we consider health-related expenses, whether it's gym fees, medicines, or regular doctor visits. Staying healthy should be an integral part of your financial planning. Insurance is next up. Allocate funds for various types like health, life, and auto insurance. This way, you're prepared and protected against life's unforeseen events. Finally, we must consider your debts. Input amounts for student loans, car loans, or any other type of debt you might have. This helps prioritize paying down debts and reducing financial stress over time. Once all your budget items are entered, head over to the Summary tab on the right side of the page. It provides an overview of your financial situation, showing you what's planned, what's been spent, and how much remains, ensuring you keep your budgeting on track.